Hello and welcome. If you are a senior or someone who cares for a senior, you may have noticed something important. As we age, muscle loss becomes a common and concerning issue. I'm here today to guide you through how you can effectively restore your muscles and reverse muscle loss using simple and affordable foods. By the end of this video, I will ensure you have a clear understanding of how to regain strength, improve mobility, and maintain a healthy life. I invite you to listen closely as we dive into proven, scientifically backed strategies that are easy to implement and sustainable. Let's begin. As we age, our muscles naturally begin to deteriorate. This process is called sarcopenia. It typically begins around the age of 30 and accelerates with each passing decade. While this may sound alarming, I assure you that it is possible to slow down or even reverse this process with the right approach. Muscle loss occurs for several reasons: physical inactivity, reduced protein intake, and changes in hormones. But let me be clear, through proper nutrition and targeted exercises, you can fight back and restore your muscle mass. Research from the National Institute on Aging reveals that seniors can lose 3 to 8% of their muscle mass every decade after age 30. However, studies also show that proper diet and exercise can dramatically slow or reverse this loss. I'm here to share how this can be done. Now, let's focus on protein. Protein is the cornerstone of muscle health. In fact, as we age, our need for protein increases. Your muscles rely on protein to repair, rebuild, and grow. For seniors, the intake of high-quality protein is paramount. I want to emphasize that protein doesn't need to be expensive. There are many affordable, everyday foods that can provide the necessary protein for muscle regeneration. Eggs, for example, are an excellent source of protein and provide all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair. Incorporating these into your diet can have profound benefits for your muscle health. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicates that seniors who increase their protein intake experience better muscle mass retention and overall physical health. The importance of protein cannot be overstated. Let's now discuss the best foods that can help reverse muscle loss. I recommend incorporating beans and lentils into your meals. These foods are not only affordable, but are rich in protein and fiber. They are also highly versatile, easily included in soups, stews, or salads. Leafy greens like spinach and kale should also be a staple in your diet. These greens are full of essential vitamins and minerals, including calcium, which is vital for muscle function. And let's not forget fish, particularly fatty fish, such as salmon or mackerel. These are excellent sources of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and aid in muscle. A study conducted by Harvard Medical School concluded that omega-3 fatty acids found in fish help reduce muscle inflammation and improve muscle strength in seniors. Including these foods in your diet is not just helpful, it's essential for maintaining muscle mass. Let's address the role of healthy fats. Healthy fats, such as those found in olive oil, avocados, and nuts, play a critical role in reducing inflammation and promoting muscle recovery. They also assist in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D, which is crucial for maintaining muscle function. I strongly recommend adding a source of healthy fats to each meal. Research from the Journal of Clinical Investigation indicates that omega-3 fatty acids found in healthy fats not only reduce inflammation, but also support muscle regeneration in seniors. These fats should be a regular part of your diet. Hydration is another factor that should not be overlooked. Proper hydration is vital for muscle function and recovery. When your body is adequately hydrated, your muscles perform better and recover faster. In addition to water, drinks like coconut water, which is rich in electrolytes, can further aid muscle function. I recommend you aim to drink water consistently throughout the day, especially if you engage in physical activity. While nutrition is the foundation, exercise is the key to enhancing the benefits. You don't need to lift heavy weights to see results. Simple resistance exercises, like squats, lunges, and using resistance bands, can make a significant difference. I encourage you to aim for just 20 to 30 minutes of strength training, 2 to 3 times a week. These exercises will work hand in hand with your diet to help you regain your strength. Let me share some inspiring success stories. I've worked with many seniors who, after implementing these changes in their diet and lifestyle, have regained their strength and mobility. Take John, for instance. He struggled with muscle loss for years, but after following a consistent diet and exercise plan, he's now walking without assistance and feels stronger than ever. SEO keywords. To summarize, reversing muscle loss is not just possible, it's within your reach. By making small adjustments to your diet and incorporating simple exercises, you can restore muscle health and live a more active, fulfilling life. I encourage you to take action today. If you found this information helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Share this video with someone you know who could benefit from these life-changing strategies. I believe in your ability to regain strength, and I'm here to support you every step of the way.